Dear problems, give me a short break. I am your regular customer. Give me discount, please. Don't make drama.